Welcome sa Sipnayan.com. This video ay tutuloy natin yung ating series about laws of exponents. No? From the previous video, pinag-aralan natin that if we multiply a raised to the m by a raised to the n, then the result is a raised to the m plus n. No? Ibig sabihin, pag meron tayong number or variable na the same yung base, no? And we multiply them, we just add the exponent. No? So may mga examples na tayong binigay sa previous video, kaya mas maganda umpisahan nyo siguro yung series, no, kung hindi nyo na umpisahan kasi hindi natin ma-explain dito kung ano yung mga pinanggalingan nitong ating law na ito. No? This is called the product law or the product rule. So let's have our first example. What is 4 squared raised 4 squared times 4 cubed? No? So magiging of course, i-add lang natin. No? Sabi, pag same base, ang base niya ay 4, we just add the exponent. So this is equal to 4 raised to 2 plus 3, no? Which is equal to 4 to the 5th. No? Of course, pwede nyo yan i-compute kung ano yung value ng 4 to the 5th. But in this case, sa atin ngayon, hindi naman siya relevant. So, siguro sa test na lang, no? Pag nag-test kayo, tatanungin nyo kung isi-simplify ba siya. No? Next, we have m cubed times m to the 8th. So is equal to m raised to the 3 plus 8, which is equal to m raised to the 11th power. So number 3, we have 2b squared times negative 3b to the 4th times 2b to the 10th. So, pag may nakikita kayong numbers, yung numerical coefficient niya, ay dapat i-multiply. No? So, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, times 2 is negative 12. No? This is negative 12. And then b squared times b to the 4th times b to the 10th is b raised to the 2 plus 4 plus 10, which is equal to negative 12 b raised to the 16th power. So, ito yung pinakasagot natin. Sorry, may negative pala dito. Okay, number 4, we have 3p squared q, no? Times negative 6 p cubed q squared. So pag ganito, syempre we multiply the numerical coefficients. 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. Tapos multiply natin yung same base, yung p squared tsaka p cubed, pareho sila ng base. So we can add the exponents of p raised to the 2 plus 3, and then q tsaka q squared. Ang q, meron niyang exponent na 1 lang. So kung wala kayo nakikita ang exponent, for example, q, alagay lang yung variable, actually may exponent na 1 yan dito. So 1 plus 2 is 3. No? So q raised to the 1 plus 2, which means that the answer is negative 18 p raised to the 5th power q raised to the 3rd power, or q cubed. No? Number 5, we have 0.4xy to the 4th, no? To the 4th, sorry, sa sabaw pala yan. Times 0.6 x squared y squared and then z. So 0.4 times 0.6 is 0.24, no? And then x tsaka x squared, sabi natin meron yung 1. So this becomes x cubed. And then yung y squared tsaka y to the 4th, this is y to the 6th. And then we have z. Okay, so humigop lang akong kape, no? Number 6, we have 1/3. I think this is the last example. 1/3 a to the 5th times 2/5 a to the 4th b cubed times 4/5 a b to the 5th. So, siyempre, multiply muna natin yung mga numerical coefficients, no? which are fractions. No? So, sa numerator, we multiply the numerator first. 1 times 2 times 4, that's 8. And then the denominator, 3 times 5 times 5. What is 3 times 5? That's 15, no? Times 5. Ilan ang 15 times 5? 75. So, 75. And then yung a to the 5th times a to the 4th times a. Ilan? Ito a to the 9th na yan. Times a to the 10th. And yung b cubed times b to the 5th. This is b raised to the 8th power. So, ito na yung pinakasagot natin. Okay, so that's it. I think we have more than enough examples para maintindihan nyo yung ating first law, no? Yung product rule na tinatawag natin, yung product law. And kung hindi nyo masyadong nag-gets, tignan nyo yung unang dalawang videos, no? Kasi doon natin pinaliwanag kung paano nangyari itong ganito. Okay, that's it. I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Gusto ko yung invite sa YouTube channel natin, youtube.com/user/sipnayanph, and our Facebook page, facebook.com/sipnayanph. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.